Hi, this is Yvonne again. Today we are going to make some steamed pork patty with salted egg yolks. Firstly, we need to soak some dry mushrooms and the scallops. Just put 1 or 2 small ones and soak it for an hour or 2. You may have a question that why am I using dry mushrooms instead of the fresh ones. Dry mushrooms has a condensed sweetness or umami in it, so it gives more fragrance and not necessarily the texture, but the fragrance and the sweetness. And then after slicing the mushrooms, separate the scallops. And we need some pork because it's pork patty. So slice it first. Okay, this consistency should be alright. You can see there's some kind of this kind of texture. Okay, I have a bowl. This is a clean one. And then place this here. We'll put some soy sauce. This is the soy sauce I get, but anything will do. And get some white pepper. This milling does not only sweeten a bit the pork, but also soften the pork and provides more the natural sweetness. This is sesame oil. It will further enhance the flavor of just a bit. The main character too, of course, is the salted egg yolk. As you can see, this is the original one, so we need to wash this off and break the egg. It's a bit different, like the shape. See? This is egg yolk number 1. Okay. Egg yolk number 2. Okay. Egg yolk number 3. That's it. And this is the egg white. Mushroom / scallop butter. This is a nice consistency of the steamed pork belly. So this is a nice consistency, you can see. Right. So we need to put mushrooms. It's hard to mix. I should find a bigger bowl. Okay, this one will do, right? Here. And spread it. Cut the egg yolk into halves. Place it on top. 6. Yeah. After 25 minutes, this is the finishing product.